One day I was over in the ILC building and I was able to witness the launchers being driven onto trucks to go then to their onward journey then onto the customer, and that was really good because it brought to life then I was part of that.
The product that we're delivering will be used in high security scenarios, and we try to keep that in mind when we're working on the project. It's really important that we deliver something of quality and value to the customer.
I grew up in Sri Lanka. At the time there was a civil war going on. It carried on till I was about 16, 17, which is when it ended. And that sort of meant that for me, your safety and security of both just yourself and the country was quite important. I felt the importance of it. And I think working here at MBDA, I get to play a small part in making sure the country is safe and that people get to experience their freedoms, which some people might take for granted.
With MBDA, lots of the products that they provide, they're making people feel safe, and I feel like me adding to that really gave me a sense of purpose.
The work we tend to do at MBDA gives people lots of exposure to all areas across the project, from project inception right through to delivery, and is a really good way to gain extra skills.
We look after all the products that are currently in service and make sure the customers' capabilities are functioning as they need to be whenever they need it.
Success is when we deliver the product, we hit our milestones on time.
Since joining the business, I've been made to feel like part of the team from the start. That's continuous, whether that be support from my manager, my co-workers, and giving back support where I can as well.
From the day one of being here, what I've noticed most is how diverse the workforce is and all the different people that I get to work with every day as well.
I set up the Women Engineering Defence community. All these women alike across all the different sites could have someone to talk about the core issues that we're facing as women, and having that support against the more formal gender equality community that we've got.
You manage your own time, so if you've got an appointment to go to, you can go to the appointment and then make up your time afterwards. If you need to start later for the school run or you need to finish earlier for the school run, then you can. You're not micromanaged, you manage your own time, which you don't see in many businesses.
We offer dynamic working, which is our answer to flexible working. So this gives you the ability to flex your work-life balance.
Dynamic working is something I think MBDA offers that's beneficial to everybody in the business. For myself, I do prefer coming into the office more often. I do find working with my colleagues easier in person, so being in the office for me is something I value quite dearly.
We have a platform called My Learning Path, and there's all kinds of training on there, from project management training to learning French. I've got my project management qualification through that. There's a mentorship scheme that you can join, whatever direction you want to go in. If you want to go into engineering or to be a work package manager or wherever you want to go, there's training for it and development.
When I came to MBDA, I was really specific on the type of mentor that I wanted. Someone that's very ambitious, just like me, and MBDA was able to provide that.
Most people come to MBDA end up staying there for quite a long time. So there's options around applying for internal roles, being promoted through the business, or even sidestepping into a completely different area and applying your skills there.
We're playing our part in protecting our future, protecting our families and protecting my children and their children with what we're working on, and that really brings it home.
We work as a family unit, I'd say. We don't work as a group of individuals. We need to deliver the programme together. Something that I've had experience in the past few months is the team environment that I've been in. I've been encouraged to also look into how I can build that team spirit myself.
I've grown a lot as a person myself, and now I'm a line manager. I've grown so much as a manager, managing a team of 3 people.
The way they do things in project control is a level above the rest of the industry. We've got really good practices and procedures here.
Head over to our careers website. We've got lots of great information about all our opportunities which are currently open. Find one that you feel suits you and apply now.